Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we're all clear, right? 220 is the high of this channel, and 204 is the trail. Okay, it is not until the price takes the 204 that the bulls are going to stop wanting to go up. All right, so clean break of 220. Remember, clean break of 220. Bulls continue taking control. Price is going to go all the way to 48. Straight line? No. Our job is to stop break even and start trailing it. All right? Our confirmation is the breaking of 20. 20 to 48, that's 20, 30, 48, that's 28 points. Okay? Break of 204, then there's going to be some shenanigans there. And remember that the low is 188. It's very important to understand this. Okay? It's 16 right here. Okay, this 16 right here is really well protected by the bears. Clean break, it'll take it to 20. Bulls are in they are in control right now, long term. Short term, we need to take 16. So as long as 16 is not taken, right, we're gonna have this chop right here, and then 04 is totally in the horizon. The bears are in control right now, short term. Okay, so chop right here, a 17, 9 point chop right here. That's 17-point chop. So remember, the smart money is teasing all the retail traders. We know that as soon as the bulls take complete control of on the longer term, of the short term, that is, because bears are in control right now of the short term. That's the importance of this 4-point range right here between 17 and 20. All right, so it's not going to be easy to be taken by the bulls, but that's where they want to go. 48. Okay? No, it didn't happen. Well, right, so in the meantime, we're going to check this out, right? Because remember, not only we need to know where the price is going, we want to know how it's going to get there. And we know exactly what the price is going to be doing. Look at this, right? This 9-point chart right here. Short term, bears in control, and then we're going to continue analyzing it, and taking all the 4A. Price will continue to 04, and we know that 04 is the best add to a winner long to go all the way to 48, right? That's the best one. Is he going to get there? No, well, all right. We'll continue doing it. So short term, sure, right? It's the main play, it's sure, okay? Because this 16 right here, 15, 16 is not going to be taken, right? We knew it was going to go to OA. The taking of OA is going to take it all, so short term, all the way to 04, and we know that we are expecting a recoil off of 04, right? Okay, but the short term, right, got to be, all right, so we're going to pulse it out, okay? All right, it's almost there, very good, right? So this short here, right? Short term is working pretty good. Let's see how the price is going to behave right here at 04. Needless to say, the psychological level, right? The psychological level 200. All right. I don't have to tell you. Even the teenagers on YouTube, all those fake gurus, even they know that 200 is right there. Of course. Isn't that amazing, Mr.? Yeah. How can there possibly be a system that knows exactly where the bounce is gonna be? 204. How long we've known 204? Since 9 a.m.
Correcto.
Look at the bounce off of 204 all the way to 08. That's 4 points on the bounce, and we know that the ultimate goal, as long as there isn't a new rotation, a new reading in the morning, is for the price to go all the way to whatever I said, 48, right? I mean, that's not gonna happen in the near future, but leave it there, all right? Okay. Because right now we just long right here 04, right? And in 2 hours from now, if that's what it takes, then we're gonna say, oh my God, look at that. The price never looked back. If it does, it's okay. The main play is still short, the short term, right? But we knew the price was going to bounce right here. We know that the smart money is going to try to squeeze the weak bulls all the way to 200, and then our job is to figure out if the main short-term play, which is this short right here, we knew it, 16, 15 short, right?
Right.
On the main current short play, where it's going, right? Right. So those of us that went long right here, all for the longer term, we need the price to take OA for us to feel comfortable. However, I'll tell you right now, this range right here, 08, 12, this 4-point range, that's not gonna be pleasant. All right, this range right here. Look, right? Price takes it all the way to right. Takes the OA and the dancing that I just told you about. Goes to 9.5. Scalpers getting the heck out because they don't know the future. We do. Mistake, are you gonna tell me this is not laughable?
It's a good laughable.
Didn't I say 12?
To the tick. Let's just said it.
Is that 12 to the tick, Mistake?
That is correct.
Mistake, how the hell did I know about 12?
I'm asking myself the same question.
So is laughable good?
It's laughable good.
All right. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, we're bringing down the OA to 06. And remember what I told you. We're going to chop up and down, leap up and down, right here, and then confirmation that we are closer to our target 48 once the bulls are able to take this 4-point range 16-20, which is not gonna be a piece of cake, but that's what's in the future, which is what we are all about. Okay, how many points is that from 4?
13.
So we just made 13 points, target 1, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go to target 2 and 3. Also, so this target 1 is 13 points, and NAS captured 12 points.
Correct.
12 points of 13?
That's right.
That's pretty good, my friend, and that's only target 1.
Yeah, I would say.
You know?
Amazing.
That's how we measure our effectiveness, you know? What percentage of the trend that we know in the future is going to be formed, we took. 12 or 13 is, oh, what, 95% mistake? That's pretty good.
We put a cake with
All right. That is, you know, that is almost razor. Are you kidding me? All right. All right. So continue managing. Remember what we know since 9 a.m. Time right now is 10:05. So it's been an hour that we've known this, right? This is what? 20 is what? Isn't 20 a counter trend?
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and give it a shot at the counter trend, right?
Right.
With a smaller position. Let's take a couple of points, right? Why not take a couple of points right here, so that we make a little bit of we make a couple of coins on the way up, shorting that 1920 right here, right now, right? What we always do. 20, you all know, is the high of the channel that we're trading today. All right. Longer term will be taken, and we're gonna do everything in our power to let it ride all the way to target 3, which is, mistake, what was it? 48 here.
48.
All right.
48.
Let's do it. All right, let's go ahead and move 20 all the way to 23. All right, 23. Okay, let's move 20 all the way to 23. And we have to continue watching how the price is going to get to our target 48. Ladies and gentlemen, so we have the, we broadened the high 20 all the way to 23, right? We just did it. Okay, so 20 is the low of target 1, and 23 is the high, still target 1. right? So we want to go to 48. In the meantime, we have to take advantage of the counter trend short with a smaller position, okay? All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's move it up all the way to 010. So now we have a range of 06, 10. We're going to move the 09, we're going to move it up 1.2, 10. Okay, and we are also moving down 23. We're going to move it down 1.2, 22. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so our bounce long 04 razor sharp entry gave us 18 points, target 1. I told you to counter trend short. That right gave us 9 points. And remember that we are still on the quest for target 2 and target 3. And we all know which levels are those. So stay strong. In the meantime, every time there is a pullback, we're gonna take advantage of it. We're gonna short it without getting out of our main play. All right. If you get out, if I get out, if anybody get out and want to take advantage of it, you have to get back in until I tell you don't get back in. All right. So might as well just don't, a smart, scared money is never gonna make it in this business. So we gotta be strong money. And remember, we know how to let it ride, right? All right. 36, ladies and gentlemen, is target 2. 48, target 3. 36, target 2. By way of right here. I told you, by way of right here, 30. Look at that drop all the way to 25. Look at that 5-point drop, all right? So be prepared to hang around here. Remember, not only we need to know where the price is going, but how it's going to get there. That's the only way that we prevent from the smart money to shake us out. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so 18 points on the first leg. We won 36, right? We've gotten 26 points. We won, this is what, 33, 34. We won 3 more, 29 points. That's what we want. 29 points for the second target, and then 48. If it takes all day, so be it. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, so we didn't get our target to 36 by 3 points. However, in the meantime, we're just enjoying this 13 points counter trend, the one that we do all the time in our rules. So let's go ahead and, like I said this morning, right? So this morning, so we take 18 points, 26. We made 26. We wanted 29 points. We made 26. But in the meantime, we're making these 13 points on the counter trend. The day is not over. It's only 12:30. So let's go ahead and enjoy it. Enjoy the rest of the day. Do exactly what you've been taught to do here. All right? Let it ride. Remember the difference between us and all those people that say that the secret of trading is letting it ride. They don't tell you how to let it ride. We do here. All right? So, I don't play golf. So, you might as well stay here. All right? But I'm going to shut down the video. And, ladies and gentlemen, let's see. All right? Boom. Here it is. You guys watching the video, let's see if it goes all the way to our target 348 today. You're not going to see it in this video because I'm out of here. But you follow it. Right? Follow it. Let's see. 48, right? 48 from 04. So in other words, this 48, if we reach 48 today, from our razor sharp entry long 04, now we're talking 44 points today. I mean, we already have 26, but we won 44. Let's go after it.